discussion forum 1 that is written. So first is know yourself and the roadmap. So what we discussed was why self-awareness, and then we introduced certain terms like aversion, apathy, aggression, acceptance, adjustment, leading to actualization, which is the ultimate aim, as we discussed. So carrying that session forward, I mean, because these are all interconnected, that's why we urge and we request people to be part of all the sessions as far as possible, because these are not, these are not discrete lecture sessions where I give lecture, you listen to it, or you may not listen to it, you can listen to it later, because there are certain activities, there are certain sort of discussions, certain sharings that happen, which can only be done in the session only. So it is sort of highly recommend that if you can join uh, for all the sessions. And so we don't want a schoolboy stuff that you have to be there. There are no right or wrong answers over here. There are no marks to be carried, nothing. You don't get any brownie points. It's just for your own journey, because as we discussed in the first session, that it is our own journey. So possibly the biggest journey of our lives, journey within myself, and then taking myself out to the surroundings, which will slowly go step by step. So today, coming to the slide that is there, we will go to discussion forum 2, which will be about exploring ourselves first, and then we'll be trying to understand others. We'll do some activities which we'll do later. But before that, we'll be starting with one activity now. Uh, Priyanka, can you just go to the next slide? Yes. So first thing, if you can just note down is, what are your strengths? What do you think are your strengths that you have? Remember the first session we did an exercise on the things you love doing. So here it is things you love doing and you're good at. Okay, so we'll focus on that first. What are your strengths? Like my strength can be that I'm a very good singer. Now, irrespective of what others think, okay, what I think, okay, I may be a very good football player. I may be a very good cook. Okay, so what are the things you love to do, and what are the things you think you do well? Like I'm very punctual. That can be a strength for me. I'm very good in sleeping. That can also be a strength for me, to my perception. That is okay. Just note down what are your strengths. Okay, and then when all of you finish, we'll go to the next slide.
So as you complete it, just click on the yes button so we know that you're done. We'll take a couple of minutes only for this exercise.
Okay, so Ruchita has finished, I suppose. When all of you finish, you may raise your hand that you're finished so that we know, or you can send messages by chat, the chat option.
Okay, Mary, you've raised your hand. Do you have a question?
Question?
No, it is just that I completed the task.
Excellent.
Yeah. Okay.
Excellent. Okay, looks like everyone is almost done. I see Ashok, Krishna, Ruchira, Mary, all of you have already said yes or raised your hand.
Fine, that's great. So next we go to the next question. Priyanka, if you may go to the next slide, please. So these focus on what are your weaknesses, things you want to change or reduce. Now, again, I am saying that it is irrespective of what others think. Okay. Like I am very sort of choosy. That can be a weakness for me also. Okay. Or I may be not good in something, which I think I'm not good in something. Like I may not look good. For me, I am too short in the height. That can be there. Others may think that you are okay. I mean, you look good, you're okay, but I don't think so. So, what do you think are your weaknesses? I may not be punctual, I may not be regular, I may have a very frail health. That can be a weakness in my eyes. Okay, please note that down.
So we'll follow the same process, couple of minutes. As you are done, raise your hand or do a yes. Click on the yes, whatever is easier for you. All right, Ashok, Mary, thank you for confirming.
Yes, great. I think
I see 3 raised hands. Others, please confirm once done. I think raising hands is faster to note. So if you can just raise your hand, that is quick. I do see Krishna has done and Ruchira also says yes. Chandrasekhar, Deepa. MI5, may I request your name? I don't see your name there. Great, Saurabh has also completed. Okay, Krishna, are you also done? Can we move on? Yes.
I think yes.
Sumit, let's continue.
Let's continue. Priyanka, if you may go to the next slide. Yes. So the next slide, as you can see, is what are the opportunities that you have in front of you, chances to improve your situation. In the first session, we discussed about your interaction with your environment. So what opportunities you see in your environment, which you think can be put to use to enhance striking a better harmony with your surroundings? How to better harmonize yourself with your surroundings? What are the opportunities you see to improve yourself and also your surroundings? Because in the first session, we discussed that both of us sort of influence each other. As much as I influence the surroundings influences me also, right? So please note them down. The opportunities in your surroundings to improve your situation.
Okay, as you finish, please raise your hands so we know that you've completed this part. Thank you,
Krishna's
Saurabh.
done.
Thanks, Mary.
Saurabh.
Krishna Ruchira says done. Thank you.
So have all of you finished? Yes. Thank you, Ashok.
Okay, let's move forward.
Yes. So we'll move forward. So Priyanka, if you can go to the next slide, please. Yes. So as you can see, we talked about the opportunities. Now just note down what are the threats you perceive. The threats, the barriers to be removed to attain your goal. We all do certain activities to keeping a goal in mind, right? So what do you think are the barriers to your goals? What are the threats from yourself and from the surroundings? What do you think can be the threats? So if you can note them down. Have you all finished?
Okay, I can see Ashok and Saurabh. So far, Ruchira done, Krishna done. Thank you. Mary and Ashok, thanks for raising your hand there. Okay, others? We have Buddhi Kumari and Manish sir has also joined us. Chandrasekhar, we would love to hear your participation also. Are you with us? Okay, Rajni has also joined us. Rajni, please activate your audio. Sumit, let's move ahead.
Yes. So we'll move ahead. And yes. So participants, as you can see, this constitutes the four items, the four lists that you have in front of you. They constitute something called SWOT. Now, what does
SWOT.
SWOT stand for? Hello. Yes.
This is
Uh,
SWOT.
yes.
SWOT.
Yes. This stands for your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats.
Template.
Okay. Now, these are the things that you have noted down for yourself. Okay. Now this is something which you will keep to yourself. We don't want you to, you may not share this with others, so that you may remain at a certain comfort level with yourself. But based on that, we will now go into an exercise where I'll give you the instructions as to what exactly is to be done. Okay. So, Priyanka, if you can go to the next slide, please. Yes. So as you can see, participants, that based on your SWOT, I would request you to draw a picture of yourself, but not as a human being, okay, as an object, okay, a non-human object that best represents you in terms of your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Okay. Now I'll give you an example. For example,
Sir, please unmute yourself.
I may draw myself as a tree. Okay. Now, what does the tree do? Tree gives fruits, flowers, shelter. So those can be my strength, that I may be helpful. I may be very, open-minded or giving kind of a person. But my weakness is that I am not that dynamic. I am stuck in one place. Okay. Now, another example can be, I may draw myself as a river. Okay. That means my strengths are, I'm very free flowing. I'm a giver of life, because water gives life. I'm very free flowing. I'm very sort of lively kind of person. Okay. What happens is that, when the river overflows because of floods, it destroys entire areas around the river, right? So I can destroy everything around me if I get angry. You understand how to draw a picture of yourself, but not as a human being, as a object, as a non-living object. Okay. Now that can include other things also. You can draw your surroundings also, where you exist. That can be part of your drawing also. Okay. It need not be a wonderful picture, but it just needs to convey the message what you're trying to convey. Okay. First you draw the picture, then I'll give you the next set of instructions.
Sumit, we have around 12 participants. Is it good to go into the breakout rooms?
You decide. Is it okay to go to the breakout rooms, or we'll take it here only?
I would suggest we do the breakout room.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So team, how it is going to work then, I am going to move you guys randomly into 4 different breakout groups. And when you are in the breakout room, you will be able to interact only with the participants who are there in the breakout room. Okay. Once I put you in the breakout room, I will also share the complete instructions for the activity. You will get 15 minutes to complete the exercise. So you have to draw yourself first, and then you have to show your drawing to each other and interpret and understand their SWOT. Sumit, you'll have to add and correct me if I'm on the right track there. And once you do that, have the complete discussion and then come out with at least 3 to 5 learnings from the entire discussion. Please identify one speaker for your group who will come back and speak in the main meeting after the group is over. Any questions from anybody? Okay, I'm assuming silence as no questions at all. So I'm starting the breakout rooms now. Sumit and myself and Priyanka will visit your breakout room and answer your questions as well. Once you are in the breakout room, if you have any question, there is a question mark icon there. You can click on that and we'll get a notification and we'll visit you. Okay. Mary, you've raised your hand. Do you have a question?
That was for the previous one. It's still on there.
Okay.
Sorry.
Just cleared it. No problem.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so let's begin the breakout rooms again. So remember, 15 minutes is your time. Please identify the speaker in the beginning of the discussion itself. One person should make notes of what you're discussing, and that person should also be the speaker. I will give you reminders at 10 minutes and 5 minutes also. And then you will have one last minute to wrap up your discussion before you are closing the breakout room. Okay. Those who have not yet joined the breakout room, please click on the join button. That's how your breakout room will begin. You'll have to click on join to get to the breakout room. You will get a notification. Click on join. Great. Shweta, you have not yet clicked. Priyanka, I've added you to breakout room number 4 for now, so please join. Ashok, please click on join. Prachi, please click on the join icon that you would have received. Goody and Saurabh Sharma also, please click on join.
I did not receive another invite.
Okay, no problem.
Should I stop sharing my screen or that?
You can, no, you can, yeah, you can stop it right now. We'll come back to it later.
Yeah.
Sumit, here we have a question here.
Yeah, I can't see anyone.
So in your room, yes, Goody Kumari is supposed to be here. She's not there yet. I'm moving you to the next breakout room.
Okay.
Like yourself as
Hi, everybody there. Are you able to understand the exercise, what we are doing here?
Yeah, we are doing.
So
Okay.
Krishna says that he's not good at drawing, it seems.
That's okay. Try whatever you can. So draw yourself, explaining yourself in whichever manner, and then each other will interpret your drawing. Through the drawing, they should be able to identify what your SWOT is. Okay. And identify your speaker, and then we'll bring you back to the main meeting. Okay. So get going. I will move.
Okay.
Ruchira, are you the only one here?
Yes.
Okay, give me 1 second. So we
Only
have,
one. Just alone here.
your is breakout room number 4. Okay, I'm just bringing Ashok to your room number. Ashok, you have been brought to a new breakout room.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so we have Ruchira and Ashok now in this breakout room, and I think we have Goody Kumari as well. So continue the discussion, guys. Move on, please identify a speaker. I will remind you in 10 minutes. You will receive a message from me. I will leave the room now, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Would you like
Okay,
to see?
I had to move Ashok away, sorry, because we didn't have participants there, okay?
That's fine,
Yeah.
yeah.
There are people in the waiting room. Should I? Well,
Priyanka, you're putting me on mute.
I am unmuting you. I was trying to unmute you.
That's okay. Okay. So may I request Saurabh to please join? Saurabh, I'm adding you to breakout room number 3 again. Please go there. Accept the join button.
I'm not in the breakout room now.
I've moved you also, Priyanka, to 3rd. Seema, you have not yet accepted the breakout room invitation. Can you please do so? Archana and Seema, you have been added to the breakout rooms. Please join the breakout room. Nancy, Shweta, am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, are you drawing your assignment? Seema is also here now. So please draw your SWOT and then show your drawing to each other, interpret it, and then identify a speaker who will come back and speak about your learning. Okay? Any questions? Please click on the question mark icon and I'll come back to your room. This is a discussion forum, so you'll have to talk to each other. All right? Are you able to hear me? Shweta, Seema, Nancy, all your microphones are on mute, so you'll have to unmute before you speak. I cannot hear any one of you.
Hi. I have a question.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm being switched to 3 breakout rooms, so I suppose I need to ask them if they have any questions or any
Yes.
issues.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Just check with them. Yeah.
Yeah, so room 3 is all good. So I join other rooms and ask them, or you are also simultaneously?
I have visited, but that's okay. You can go and visit also. Just be there, maybe silently, and listen to the conversation, and you can come back. Okay.
All right, all right.
Right.
Okay, one more thing. Is the screen still visible to you? Am I sharing my screen or it's not now? Okay, thanks. I don't have permission to go to choose the room. I can only go to the room you like assigned. I've been to room 3.
Sorry, which breakout rooms have you been to?
Room 3 and room 1.
Okay. Added you to 4.
I'll just put my video off so that nobody is conscious of my presence.
Yes, Ashok, how can I help you? Ashok, did you ask for help? Any questions? Okay, I think you guys have finished is what I'm assuming. I can't hear any one of you. Please unmute yourself before you speak. Ruchira, Ashok, are you able?
Done.
Excellent, excellent. Great. So let me quickly check with others as well how they are doing.
ध्यान में रखते हुए आप कृपया अपना एक तस्वीर ड्रॉ कीजिए, ओके, जो आपको दर्शाता है, बट नॉट एज अ इंसान, ओके, नॉट एज एन इंसान, एज अ नॉन ह्यूमन ऑब्जेक्ट जो आपको दर्शाता है, बेस्ड ऑन योर स्वॉट एनालिसिस। आपके जो स्ट्रेंथ्स है, जो वीकनेसेस है, आपके सराउंडिंग्स में जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज है और थ्रेट्स है, उसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए यू ड्रॉ पिक्चर ऑफ योरसेल्फ बट नॉट एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग। ठीक है, ओके, समझ में आ गए?
सर थ्रेड्स और जो वीकनेसेस हैं वो मींस मेरे सराउंडिंग में जो है मुझे
हाँ,
उसके बाद लिखना है, यही ना?
नहीं नहीं, लिखना नहीं है, पहले आप उन्हें लिख लीजिए, फिर उसके बलबूते पे आप एक तस्वीर ड्रॉ कीजिए अपने आप का। जैसे मान लीजिए मैं एक पेड़ हूं, ठीक है, तो मेरा स्ट्रेंथ है कि मैं बहुत दयालु हूं, मैं बहुत हेल्पफुल इंसान हूं, लेकिन मेरा वीकनेस है कि मैं एक जगह से हिल नहीं पाता हूं, मैं एक जगह पे अटक गया हूं। ठीक है, मान लीजिए मैं एक पर्वत हूं, तो मेरा एक स्ट्रेंथ जो है मैं बहुत ऊंचाई तक जा सकता हूं, मेरा बहुत बड़ा एक प्रेजेंस है, लेकिन वहां पर भी मेरा वीकनेस है कि मैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा नहीं पाता हूं, मैं डायनामिक नहीं हूं।
ओके,
तो ऐसे करके अपना जो स्वॉट है उसके बलबूते पे आप अपना एक तस्वीर ड्रॉ कीजिए जो अपने आप को सबसे बेहतर दर्शाता है। ओके,
ओके।
So then we will close the breakout rooms in exactly 2 minutes from
2
now.
minutes, yes. Fine. Can you shift me to the third room, please?
Sure.
Third room, yeah.
You already have a request for third room. You just have to accept it.
Okay.
Can you see it?
No.
Okay, so give me a minute.
Yes, this is
room number 1. Now I have added you to third room. Please accept it. Okay. Kalyani, let me know if you have any questions, please.
हेलो
Yes, Kalyani, you can let me know if you have any questions.
Ma'am, there is no any other participants?
We have moved them into the breakout rooms because you joined a little late, so I'm not adding you to those groups now. They'll be back in 1 minute, okay?
Okay. Please repeat again, ma'am, what you said.
Everybody is in different breakout room. Groups में discussion चल रहा है अभी. 1 मिनट में सब
Okay.
वापस आ जाएंगे, ठीक है?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sumit, I have ended the breakout room. Welcome back, everybody. So how was the discussion?
Yeah,
Before we start speaking about what you discussed, I want to understand how was the experience talking to each other. Most of you don't even know each other. How was
It
the
was
experience?
wonderful. For me, it
Thanks.
was wonderful.
Thanks, Mary. Krishna, you were saying?
yeah, it's wonderful.
Excellent, excellent. Who else do we have there? Kalyani, Prachi. Kalyani is still working on it. Prachi, how was it? The discussion?
Good, ma'am.
Very good. This man is very difficult to digest, okay? I'm used to Anamika. Priyanka is back here now. And we're waiting for others to join. Ruchira, how was the discussion? Ruchira,
Hello?
you're on mute. How was the discussion, Ruchira?
It was very good. It was very good.
Very nice.
I can't recognize Priyanka's picture. I told that
I'll show you.
the mixture of everything.
Excellent, excellent. Kriti and Akanksha, how was your experience talking to everybody?
Actually, we saw the picture of one another, but we didn't discuss about it.
Okay. Okay, great. So let's move ahead then. We are now in the larger group. We have enough time. We will go one participant at a time, and let's see if all of you are able to, were you able to discuss what you had drawn, or do you want to talk about it now? So Sumit, over to you. Sumit, you're on mute.
Sorry. So participants, if you would like to share, as we discussed that regarding the presentation, I mean, from each breakout room, we requested one participant to present in the larger group. So, is there anyone who wants to start? Anyone?
Can I?
Yes, Mary, please.
Okay. So in my group, I had Krishna along with me, and apparently we both had the same thought about our personality. So we both drew a flower, and
Okay.
mine was a sunflower. His was a flower, and he said that he represented himself as a flower because that's more. It's a like it represents love and more pure, delicate, and very beautiful. So he find himself to be very beautiful inside out. So that's something which is very wonderful. And I said it is sunflower because sunflower is very much dependent on sun rays, which is my which I say that it is my weakness, like the social approval, or what do we say, motivation from other. If I'm not motivated, I feel weak. So that is one weakness which I have. And the petals, I feel they are the thoughts, my expectation from myself, and what people have from me, what they expect from me. That is one of the petals. They represent that. And I feel the love which I have for myself, the gratitude I have towards others, that is my strength. So that is the stem which holds the sunflower upright. So that is what I want.
Great. So, any other weakness from Krishna's drawing did you find?
Krishna was all positive, so it was all like he said that it is tender, so tender, delicate, and he's
Tender, delicate.
as soft as that.
Okay. So can that be sometimes as a weakness also?
Absolutely. That is sometimes that is actually the weakness, that we are very soft and fragile to hear anybody speaking, or it influences us very easily.
Yes, a flower can be beautiful. It can enhance nature, but it can be plucked also, right?
Correct.
So we have to keep that in mind. Okay, we are not trying to be negative, but we are
But
to
yes,
be aware. That is where the self-awareness comes in, about our own weaknesses and our threats from the situation, from the surroundings. Okay,
absolutely.
that's why roses have thorns. Okay, so when we think of love, we think of rose, but it comes with thorns also.
Correct.
Okay, so great. So and I would like to ask, how are you feeling when the other person was interpreting your diagram? When the things were matching with you, when some things were not matching with you, how are you feeling?
Yeah, it was actually matching. So his thoughts, somewhat, more or less, it was same. So
Okay,
we had a good understanding about each other's picture.
great. Krishna, if you would like to add something, Krishna, if you would like to
Okay,
add something,
it's almost same. So I think I don't have anything to add here.
great. And just for the others, Krishna, I would just like to introduce that he's joining from Chittagong, Bangladesh. So he's the international participant over here. Okay. So
Thank you for that, Krishna.
yes. And
Yeah,
going to the
thank you.
others, next, who would like to give their presentation? Ruchira, would you like to?
Sir?
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Would you like to give your presentation? I mean, how you and Ashok were in the same group, right?
Ashok did not show any picture, and even he's quite little talkative to me.
Okay.
I tell about my occupation and my place, but he didn't
Okay.
reply anything. And after that, I think he was not there. And then
Okay.
Priyanka came. I talked
Acha.
with Priyanka, and she showed me her picture, and
Okay.
I showed her my picture.
Very good. So the two of you, can you do your presentation, please? Priyanka and yes, Ruchira.
Priyanka, you tell first because you interpreted very well me.
Great.
Okay.
Priyanka?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ruchira, show your picture. Should she show her picture na? Show your picture.
Yes. Ruchira. Yes.
Good. See, she drew
Priyanka, if you
some.
just narrate it, yes, what
Yeah.
she has done.
When I saw this picture, I could see that she has like drew a mountain. There is a stream passing through, and there are some rocks as well. So I first question was like, which of these do you think you are? So I said, maybe you are a stream which is passing through the mountains. She said, no, I am a mountain. So her strength is her stature, like she is stiff and she is like facing all kinds of climate and standing tall. So those are the positive sides. She's very strong. That is her strength. And still she lets, being so strong, she lets streams pass through her. So I said, maybe that is your weakness. Then she said,
Yes.
no, but my strength is I do not let the stream pass through me. It just, it cannot reach on the back side of mine. Like I decide the path for the stream.
Great.
So
Great.
this is like, again, the strength.
Great. Wonderful.
Yeah.
So, Ruchira, how did you feel when Priyanka was interpreting your picture? Some of it was matching, some of it was not matching. How are your feelings?
Yes.
What are you feeling?
Yes, it is up to 60 to 70% matched.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 70% match. So, how did you feel about 70% matching? What were your feelings?
I feel that if she become my friend, she can interpret me well, not
Yeah.
judge me. She
Very
will not judging me. She can interpret me.
Very nice.
May I understand?
Yeah. I was open to accept her as, even if she is a stream, then that is okay with me. Even if she is mountain, that is okay. I was not judging her at all. I was open to her thoughts.
Mhm. Great. And Ruchita, what about the remaining 30% which didn't match?
That I want to go back to my high secondary. I want to, the result was not good. And so that's why I want to correct and want to be good in the HS marks.
Okay, fine. Okay, great. So now about Priyanka's diagram. Uh,
Okay.
Priyanka, can you?
She couldn't interpret it. So
Okay.
Anamika, would you help me? Even I don't know if I have like drawn anything like it makes sense or not.
Let
This
me
is
try.
something.
Actually,
This is
it was a
something which
mixture
came
of
to my
sand,
mind.
rock, tree.
Can you just show it?
Yeah, can you see it clearly? I'll show you. This is a tree. These are some rocks. This is a sand. This is some sand and the billows. The
The
लहरें
stream.
बनाई है, streams. Yeah.
Acha.
This is sea. This
May
is
I
some,
try?
yeah.
May I try?
Ruchita, go ahead.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. First of all, if I'm starting from rock, that means you are hard like rock, but you are soft like sand.
Okay.
You are very much helpful and kindful. You shows your kindness to everyone, but you are not stacking anywhere. You just go with the flow.
Which of these is me? Like this was my question.
मैंने बोला था ना, mixture of this.
मिक्सचर तो हो नहीं सकता ना, एक ही होगा. Anybody can help me entangle this?
Whatever I could understand, a tree is a nurturer. So you're giving shade, you're giving fruits, and that's your nature as normal. That's generally your nature. But you do have some. There are some rocks and all those hindrances and barriers in your life as well. At the same time, you do see a stream, which in my mind is a hope. You have solutions in front of you, but the sand is kind of slowing you down to take you before you reach the solution. So when we walk on the sand, our speed reduces. We can't walk with the same pace, with the same speed on sand. So the sand is slowing you down and it's not letting you reach your stream. And to me, the waves and all that is energy, enthusiasm, it's beauty, it's all of that. So you know where you want to reach, but there are some hindrances, there are some barriers which are not really bad or negative, they're just slowing you down. So how much is my interpretation right?
It's nothing of which I thought.
Great. Great. So this is coming from someone who knows Priyanka rather well.
Yeah.
So that is the beauty of this exercise. Okay.
What she spoke about could be correct, but the way I interpret this image, like this is something which keeps on moving in my mind. I couldn't think of what to draw, so this is the best diagram which I could think of. And I actually today in this exercise I changed my part. Usually I see myself as a tree, which Anamika said, but today I just changed the role. I just could not see myself there. I saw me. Should I explain it, or somebody else also wants
If you're
to give
comfortable,
it a try?
if you're comfortable, you may please go ahead. No problem. We have a lot of time in hand.
Like
If
if
you're
anybody
comfortable.
if anybody else would like to, explain it.
Should
Actually,
I try just a random?
Yeah.
Please,
Random.
please,
I
yes,
want
please.
that actually. I want inputs.
Okay, so I feel that you were a stream which is free flowing and which has a destiny to reach, but then there are obstacles in between, like there are rocks which will stop your way, and those are your weaknesses, and there are opportunities that is a bigger sea which you want to go and mingle into.
So true. This is like,
Really?
I think, yeah, this is
Invested
something
myself.
she actually spoke my mind while
So-
drawing this. This was in my mind that I am flowing and I have all kinds of people around. The tree is there, the nurturer is there. There are rocks as well which come as hindrance, but still I am flowing. Then there is sand which is actually mixing with me. It's letting me go. It's not stopping me. It's merging with me and giving me some other face every day. And then again I'm flowing.
That's
So
great.
sand is with me, like all my surroundings, they make me.
Mhm. That's great.
This is
So Priyanka, how are you feeling right now? When someone's version is matching with yours, how are you
I'm
feeling right now?
I'm feeling like I'm heard, like echoing. It's echoing with my mind. So I'm not a mad person. Like somebody is there to, my ideas are like not. I'm not from the, some other planet. There are people who, understand.
Great.
It's a great feeling actually.
Yes. So you
Feeling
see the
elated.
And I also have a perspective here I want to share. So I
Yeah,
think
please.
it's interesting to note how familiarity can reach, the entire thought process. So I know her so well. Probably that perspective of what I know about her overpowered what I was seeing in the.
Yes.
Yeah. Because this is my first interaction with Mary. So,
Exactly. I don't
so
even
there
know
were,
about her.
yeah, sure. So there was no influence. This was like, and Anamika knew me so well. So sometimes, we
Yeah, we tend to
our
judge
thoughts
people on
tend
the
to judge.
basis of,
We tend to
yeah.
judge when we know somebody. So this is so natural, actually.
So you see that this can be learning that how judgments can be horribly wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I'm not castigating anyone, but
Right.
this is a wonderful exercise that way, and to
Sumit,
create new bonds.
one more
Yes.
thing I realized while I was writing it and while I was drawing it. What I realized it, like my strengths and my weaknesses, they're the same.
Okay.
Matlab they were like, transacting each other. It's not that
Yes.
my weakness is something different. I could realize that my strength at some point they are my strengths, and maybe overdoing it or not using it in the right manner, it comes out as a weakness. Because I am very reactive. Like I can think very fast. That is my strength at my office, or whenever I'm like positive, or I'm, I have ideas, I'm doing something constructive, that becomes my strength. But I'm very reactive when it comes in the form of negativity, anger, or anything else. Then that is very obviously that is a weakness. This is how like you can help me with this.
True. Let's see.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm getting lots of sort of fodder for discussion actually. So yes, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Uh, the remaining two, Kriti Kumari, Akanksha, आप बोलिए. हेलो कृति कुमारी, आकांक्षा.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
हाँ, आपने तस्वीर ड्रॉ की.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Kriti has drawn flower pot having a
Okay.
lot of colorful flowers,
हाँ.
and
अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा.
I drew a picture of a book that she couldn't recognize that
अच्छा.
it's a book. She
अच्छा.
thought that it's either a cage or a box or something like that.
Okay.
Although we didn't discuss about it, but I can interpret her picture means now.
हाँ, बोलिए.
So according to me, there were many colorful flowers. It means she want happiness in her life, or she is so happy, or she is so means enthusiastic in her thought process and all. And there was a flower pot which was not colored. Means flower pot was just the sketch made by the made in the form of a sketch. There was no color. So it means that inside her there is something which is means from outside she is very much happy, but from her inside she is not that much happy as people see her, or people think about her. And one more thing, that in that picture I saw that there was some flower were means very closely drawn, and two of them were like in opposite direction. So it means either the opposite direction flowers was representing her, or somebody from her life, means something like that. So that's all.
बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे.
Very deep.
Very deep.
Thank you.
और आपका जो तस्वीर है वो थोड़ा दिखाइए.
इधर एक
Yes, sir.
रखा था, कहाँ है बेटा?
This is what I had drawn.
अच्छा.
So
एक
according to me it's a book.
Okay.
And but she thought that it's a cage or a box.
अच्छा.
So if somebody wants to make
Anyone
an
wants to interpret a
interpretation.
book?
May I try?
Yes, please, please,
Yes,
please.
please.
Yes.
A book means there is lots of things, okay, but आप तब तक कुछ नहीं जानिएगा जब तक आप पढ़िएगा नहीं. इसका मतलब है आपको उनसे जाके बात करना होगा. अगर आप उनके दोस्त बनेंगे तभी उनके बारे में जान पाएंगे. अगर वो आपके साथ फ्री होएंगे तभी आप उनके बारे में जान पाएंगे.
Very nice.
Maybe.
But
Yes,
no.
I have one more point to add. I think she's drawn an open book.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, she's an open book. She doesn't like to hide so much about herself. She is very comfortable sharing her strengths, her weaknesses, or her failures or mistakes. And she's happy to take feedback. She's happy to let people learn from her mistakes also. Is that right, Akanksha?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Very nice. Very nice.
Okay, I'm successful at least in one.
But one more thing is there, that
बोलिए.
I'm representing myself through the book, that I am the book.
Yes.
And some of the means you can see that half of the book has been it has been written something on the page, and left pages are blank.
Blank.
So it means that I have done something in my life, or I have passed a particular stage of my life, which has been written. There has been written something. But it is not clear. It means not everybody can understand me, or can accurately guess or judge my personality. That's why it is means the handwriting of the written text is so messy, or I can say that nobody can read that. ऐसा.
अच्छा, 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 बहुत अच्छा. तो कुछ आपके साथ मिले हैं, कुछ नहीं मिले हैं. Some parts
Yes,
are matching with you, some parts are not matching with you.
हाँ, yes.
Very nice, very nice. So participants, how are you feeling that you are showing yourself to totally unknown people across regions, across demographies, across professions, which are, yes, please.
We still haven't heard Kriti.
Oh, Kriti is left. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Kriti, आप बोलिए. Kriti, if you can unmute yourself. हाँ,
Hello.
Kriti Kumari. हाँ, बोलिए.
So, आकांक्षा जो दिखाई ड्राइंग, वो ड्राइंग मेरे को बुक्स की तरह लगा, जो कि नहीं था. वो एक बुक है, क्योंकि साइड वो लिखा हुआ नहीं था, तो को लगा कि वो बॉक्स है या एक केज है.
हाँ, ठीक है.
तो मैं उस ड्राइंग अगर वो उससे इंटरप्रेट हुई तो वो गलत हो जाए. तो ये बुक की तरह अगर उसे देखे तो इससे हमें पता चलता है कि वो अपने फीलिंग्स को सबके साथ शेयर करती है, बट वो क्या है कि उसमें बुक्स में एक साइड लिखा हुआ और एक साइड नहीं लिखा हुआ है. तो हम उस चीज को देख सकते हैं कि वो अपने थॉट्स को दूसरे के साथ शेयर तो करती ही है, साथ ही कुछ बातें हैं जो वो लोगों को नहीं बताना चाहता. वो उस तरह से वो हिडन है, या ऐसा है कि जो उसके फ्रेंड्स है वो उससे कर सकती है. और सर, और में क्लियर थिंग में लिखा हुआ नहीं है, तो वो जो वो क्लियर नहीं स्पष्ट है. मतलब वो हम नहीं समझ में आया इसलिए वो ड्राइंग.
अच्छा, अच्छा, आपको लगा वो एक केज है. हाँ, ये आपके नजरिए से.
बॉक्स या केज है.
हाँ, ठीक है. ये आपका, that was your perception. तो ठीक है. So we.
Sorry to interrupt, but
yes.
I want to know whether I was correct or not about
There is
Kriti's
nothing.
drawing. About Kriti's drawing, Kriti's picture of
see,
a flower pot.
Yes. See, as of there are no right or wrong answers. Whatever you found, you said. Okay. Now, of course, there can be many more interpretations to it. Okay.
Kriti can speak out about her image.
Yes. कृति, आपको आप जो फ्लावर पॉट ड्रॉ किए हैं उसके बारे में आप कुछ बोलेंगे? एनीथिंग?
तो फ्लावर इसलिए ड्रॉ क्योंकि फ्लावर्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, हम उसे डेकोरेशन के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं। फ्लावर्स घर में वो खुशबू फैलाता है, वो हैप्पीनेस का साइन होता है, बस इसलिए वो अच्छा लगा, इसलिए हम वही ड्रॉ कर दिए।
Very nice. Very nice. So you want to be a happy person. That's why you want to share happiness and everything. ठीक है? So
Yes,
so
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
So in general, participants, how are you feeling? I mean, sharing yourselves with others and looking others from your own viewpoints. How are you feeling? Yes.
Actually, when we share ourselves with an unknown person, we feel safe that no one will judge me. And a known person can judge me as a good or bad, but an unknown person can't judge me as a good or person. Only she or he try to know me. Just else.
Great. Great. Anyone else?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
more really like relieving as well, that we feel like so many things were like we thought about ourselves, but it was not clear as such. But right now
Yes.
with the activity, we are more clear, like these are the strengths, these are the weaknesses, so it is more defined.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So I had certain ideas in mind, but I see that there can be other perspectives also, right? To the same thing.
Right.
Okay. Yes. Krishna, you were saying something?
Yeah, this is a great chance actually explore myself. Because what I can explore with other people, but there is everyone is unknown people to me, so I can share myself to them. So I create a good understanding with them. So it's a great chance to make a communicative approach with them. So it's very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Anyone else? Kriti, Akanksha, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
I am totally agree with Ruchira ma'am's view that the one whom we actually know in real life, we generally give a judgment or means come to a conclusion from their lifestyle or from their way of living or etc. But the one whom we do not know or who is totally unknown to us, we can interpret them without judging them, means without judging them and without any former or previous conception about them, thinking about previous conception about them, means like at random, means the thought comes in our mind randomly that she is like that, or he is like that. But the one whom we know from previous or we know in real life also, means like Kriti is my friend, so whatever I interpreted is more or less associated with what I know about her.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Kriti, you want to say something? कृति आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? Hello. Yeah, she is unmuted, but.
Kriti, can you speak up? We can't hear you.
The network issue.
I think some network issues there. So
I do have a perspective, Sumit, if I may. I
yes,
think,
please.
yeah, while during this exercise, yes, the conclusion can be that when we don't know somebody, then our judgments are not as active as they are when we know somebody, right? But let's bring it to a more practical reality now, okay? When I am walking on the road also, just by the way someone is talking, walking, what they are wearing, how they are, the body language, the way they are looking at me or not looking at me, I am forming judgments. I am forming perspectives every minute. I don't know these people, right? I don't know them at all, but still judgments are being formed.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so I think, yes, in the context of this discussion, maybe may say that we probably didn't know that person so much, so we could not judge or evaluate rather. I think it was less of a judgment and more of an evaluation, where we are not sure. Judgment in my mind is a conclusion. Evaluation is the path to reaching the judgment. So I think we were evaluating their behavioral aspects or their nature or their personality, their character. We were evaluating those. And because I didn't know somebody, my evaluation towards a person's drawing was a little different and a little more authentic, right? But when I was evaluating someone who I am aware of, I have my perceptions at the back of my mind. So that may be clouding my perception, but it may not be actually a judgment overall. So those are the 2 points I thought I wanted to add. That one, I think it was an evaluation and not a judgment that we made. And second is that we do judge people that we don't know also.
True, true. Absolutely. Absolutely. Anyone else? Priyanka, you would like to say something?
That's it. Like
Anything you want to add?
I have said.
Okay, great. So thank you all the participants for wonderful participation in this exercise. So the learnings that we took is that, first of all, as Anamika said, and I would like to stretch on that point, that we are doing this at the comfort and safety of your homes. Okay, so where I am not being involved, right? So this is more of a objective evaluation, as she used the word, evaluation of the other person's drawing. And as far as, because, and also it was given that the comfort that there are no right or wrong answers. Okay. But if I meet this person on the road where I get involved or I have to interact, then a lot of other extraneous factors come into play. And that is exactly falling into the category of whether this person is a threat or an opportunity. Okay. So so this is where we are connecting this exercise, which we are doing in the confines of our home. It's a simulated reality we are taking to the real life situation where, and connecting with the SWOT that it can be an opportunity, it can be a threat also. Again, based on my perception. Okay, how I perceive this person to be. Okay, like for example, if I take the case of Anamika and Priyanka, they know each other, but still there was some sort of differences in the understanding, and yet there was a neutral version where, and I'm not giving my versions also because there can be psychological insights to each of these drawings actually, and that can take a long time. Okay, because I'm not here to do the psychology analysis of the drawings. Okay, it's just to focus on the SWOT part. But again, to come back, Priyanka, if you can go to the next slide.
Yeah, I'll do that. Just give me a second.
Yeah, please.
Okay, while Priyanka brings up the presentation, I'll take a moment to quickly thank everybody who stayed on, and thank you for your participation. Great participation, great pointers. We are down to 6. We started with like 12. We are down to 6, but I know Ashok and I think one more person, Saurabh, he mentioned that they are having connectivity issues and they
also
have
Chandrasekhar.
Chandrasekhar.
Also Chandrasekhar, yes.
Those may be the reasons, so which is fine. So thanks for being active, guys. We still have some more time to go. So keep talking. We want to hear you more.
Yes. If you can go to the next slide, please.
Yeah.
Next to next, actually. Next one. Next slide. Just we have finished. Yes, exactly this one. So what we are doing right now, what we are focusing on is, as we said, that apply this SWOT analysis for a better understanding of self to strike a balance between, which we did in the first session, first day, duties and desires in life, because there are certain duties we have to perform, but there are certain things which we love to do, our desires. Resolving intrapsychic and interpersonal conflicts. We can have conflicts. Okay, intrapsychic means there can be conflicts within myself. Okay, whether to do this or, I mean, there can be entire sessions on that. And also we have interpersonal conflicts. Based on our intrapsychic conflicts, we have conflicts with others also. So if we come to know about our own strengths and weaknesses, we are in a better position to deal with the situation, to deal with the understanding. Okay, so that is where SWOT becomes very important, because SWOT is taught in many management classes, I suppose, many management trainings and everything. But how to apply it on myself? I mean, the idea is to enhance my strengths and decrease my weakness, right? It's very simple. To enhance my strengths and bring down my weaknesses. Okay, I have a list of strengths, I have a list of weaknesses. Can there be any other way of doing it? How to look at things differently, which we are doing exercise. The same diagram was perceived in a different way. Priyanka said that what are my strengths, my weakness in another situation, isn't it? Like, I'll give you some examples. I mean, take for example, have you all seen the film Lagan?
Yes.
Have you all seen the film Lagan, where there is a character called Kachra, who has a deformity? Okay, but that becomes his strength because he becomes a good spin bowler. So Krishna, I think you are aware of the film called Lagan. He's from Bangladesh, so that's why I just needed to.
Yeah,
clarify.
I have watched that one.
Yeah, okay. So I'll give you real life examples like Muthaiya Muralitharan. He has that deformity. Okay, like if I may say, there's a footballer called Garincha who had a deformity in his foot, but that became his strength. Elizabeth Taylor, if I may say, had a double layering in her eyelashes. Now that is actually a disorder she had, but that became her strength because her eyes became so beautiful. Okay, so we can convert our weaknesses into strengths. That is the whole idea. If we can convert our own weaknesses into strengths. There's a famous dialogue by Sachin Tendulkar that you throw stones at me, I'll turn them into milestones. Okay. Now, when I do this in the workshop, actually, these things we do in the workshop, I do it. So I tell the people to focus on me because as you can see, I have a squint in my eye. Okay. So technically speaking, they say that squint, everyone says, oh, he's so, I mean, what kind of a person you are? Why don't you get it corrected? And all those things. So I was thinking of not sharing these because there was supposed to be a kid in this session. Last time there was a kid. So, so a teacher in school told me, why don't you get your eye corrected? Because there was a very simple exercise. You just focus on this finger and your eye will get corrected. Actually, there is one muscle in the eye, which is a little loose. So my eyeball is not straight. But I told my teacher that as long as I'm a student, I'm never going to correct it. Because in the exam, I don't even need to turn my head to look at my fellow students' copies. So I was an expert in that, and I made sure that I would get more marks than the person I'm copying from. So my weakness became my strength. And I was always given to hit the penalty kick because the goalkeeper was not understanding which way I'm looking at. So he was totally bewildered and he would jump in one direction. I would straightly hit the ball into the net in a straight shot. I mean, it was very easy. So again, convert your weakness into your strength. Okay. Then my mother told me, get it corrected. Otherwise you'll not get a good bride. So I said, in marriage, I'm already marrying that girl. So I don't need to look at her. Rather, it will help me to look at the other people around. So, because I actually measured my range of vision, which is actually more than a regular normal human being's vision, because a normal being's vision is 180 degrees. I have a 210 degree vision, which helps me in taking classes because my first assignment after my counseling course was over was in an orphanage where the kids were as naughty as you can think of. And to keep them quiet, I had to tell them that I have eyes in my back, like, you know, the Phantom, that superhero. And they were testing me, that they were doing all sorts of actions which I was catching. So then the entire class became quiet because they visualized me as a superhero. So you can follow this humble person in front of you and think that a weakness can be a strength also. Okay, it all depends on how you perceive it. So the power is with you. There's a famous dialogue by Winston Churchill that a pessimist finds difficulty in a positive situation, and an opportunist finds opportunity in a difficult situation. Okay, I'll just do right now. I'll do an experiment right in front of you. Just a minute. Can you see this? What is this? Anyone?
Water.
A glass of water.
A glass of water.
Full glass of water.
A full glass of water. Okay. You're seeing a full glass of water, full glass of water. Okay. What is this now?
Half full glass of water.
Half full or half empty?
Half full.
Half glass of water.
Half full? Anyone wants to, is the glass empty or full?
आप
half
भर
empty
दोगे
or
तो
half-
दूसरे फट जाएगा.
It is both.
Half empty or half full?
To me, it is both, Sumit. It is half full and it has more space to be filled in.
Okay.
Sir, when you drank the water, it is empty. If you fill it again, then it will become full.
Okay.
Half
So
glass
you
of water.
think it is half full and half empty at the same time,
Right.
right?
Right.
Because this is a very common example everyone gives, whether the glass is empty, half empty or half full. Can we think that the glass is still full?
Yes.
So it's half full with water and half full with air.
Yes. Don't we need air to survive? Or is it
Yes,
just
we
water
need
is enough? We need air.
Yes,
We are not
need.
fish. We are not fish, right? We need air to survive.
Yeah, obviously, without air we cannot survive. So I think
Exactly.
air is
So next time
important.
when someone asks you this question that whether the glass is half empty or half full, always say the glass is always full. Okay, it is never empty
Okay.
unless you are in space where it can get empty. Okay, it is always full. So this is, to me, the most optimistic version that you can have of yourself. You're always full. Even if you have some weakness, you have it. What does a weakness depict? It shows that you have an opportunity to develop yourself. Okay. Because it's an unending journey, as we said in the first session, that the journey is a journey, the biggest journey in life. So this journey constitutes that, because we are not God, we are human beings. We will be having our own weaknesses. So instead of focusing negatively on that and be drained of our emotional energy, we can take them as opportunities, not as threats, to develop ourselves. And of course, along with enhancing our own strengths. Okay. So I hope this exercise was pretty much hinting towards that direction. Okay. And already I think it's 6 o'clock. The time is up for, that's why we'll be putting a hold over here. And I hope you had an enriching session, because I enjoyed the session very much, because the number of participants was low, but the quality of participation was extremely high to my perception, that is. And I hope, because I think it will make some difference in your lives. So thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for rejoining after yesterday's weakness, threat, whatever. So, and we have overcome them, and you have helped us to overcome those weaknesses, and you've turned this session into a milestone session, at least for me. Thank you so much. Over to you, Anamika.
Great. Thank you so much, Sumit. I think it was a very, very rewarding discussion with everybody involving themselves. And thank you guys for sharing it as well. I'm really glad that you were open and sharing it. I hope that you're fine because the session was on live as well on Facebook, and the session is also being recorded. We will be putting the session up on YouTube as well. So when we are joining the next session, I will talk about, so Priyanka, if you can please move up to the next slide. Next in line for our self-awareness series will be the third and the final session in the self-awareness series, where Sumit will take us and walk us through the relevance of self-awareness with mental health. So how do these two things link, and why are we even talking about self-awareness on the journey of emotional intelligence, or on the journey of emotional well-being? So that's what the third session is going to be like. We are planning to have it next week, either on Saturday or Sunday. We'll confirm it to you. I have your email ID, so I will send you an email with the registration link directly so you can join in. If you are asking or inviting anyone else in your group to join, please ask them to watch both the videos before joining the third session so they can make the best use of the entire discussion and time. Okay, so if you like the session, please send in your feedback. You have my email ID there. Your suggestions are also welcome. We'd love to hear from you. And if you want to attend the next one, like I said, I'll share the link with you. We are not going with the registrations, really just keep the sessions open like this one. It made more sense to us. And if you are willing to join our group, the support group, please join the Reach Out for Emotional Wellbeing support group on Facebook. You can just search for Reach Out for Emotional Wellbeing and you should be able to find it. And you'll also find it in my signature in the email. So it's just a click away from there. And you can also join us, the Facebook page, which is Love, Live, Learn 6. Great. So thank you for joining us. And we hope that you will walk hand in hand with us on this journey of emotional well-being. Please invite more people. Our only hope, our only intention is to spread the word, spread positivity. And slowly this ripple should become the next pandemic. It should be a positive pandemic where everybody is only speaking about positivity, love, compassion. And those are the words that we want to hear more. We don't want to hear other things. So please spread it like wildfire. Let everyone join us, and together we will make a better tomorrow. Okay. Anyone wants to speak up? Anything, any feedback that you have that you want to share with us right now?
Feedbacks, anything, comments?
I do see everyone has thanked Sumit for the session, and Ruchira, yes, you should join. Thank you.
Anamika, I just want to tell Sumit sir that please arrange this kind of exercise again.
Yeah, I'll try to. Actually, I work on the live more direct interaction where these could be done with much greater impact, where we talk about, we actually go through the feelings of this, not just giving lectures.
There was an arrangement session, no, in the month of June in Bangkok, sir. You invited me.
June was not possible. Last July we had, and January we had, yes, where these things were done.
You invited me, and after that the lockdown started, so
yes.
nothing will happen. Oh.
Yeah, now Bangkok is actually clear. Thailand is perfectly fine, but India and Bangladesh, we are not fine. That's the point.
For me, thank you, Sumit.
Yes.
For me, the session is really thoughtful. Like, I am going to think about this. Something which really struck me is the glass is half full with water and half with air. And don't we need air to survive? So that air part, which we usually see as blank, maybe we can say that the negative energy or whatever, like people around us, when they are not behaving the way we want, our life is not moving the way we want it. So we need to understand this. All those things are important for survival. We don't need all good things only. So we have scope for development. So it's a great session, actually. It will leave me thinking about this for a more time. And I think this is going to help me.
Indeed.
Thank you so much.
Priyanka. Thanks, Priyanka.
Thank you.
And even I would like to add something. Like you've made Sumit, you've made this session really very interactive, and these are the simple things we already knew it, but then with this exercise it became more clear and very it's not a paper like we are noting down something, you are speaking. It was not like that. It is something we already knew it, and we discovered something within us. So it was great, and
Yes.
thank you, Anamika, for arranging such a beautiful one.
Not at all. My pleasure. Purpose in life. Purpose in life. This is what I'm here
You are
for.
inspiring a lot many people.
I hope that I am able to inspire. Slowly, the name Anamika should be gone, and it should only be Love, Live, Learn. That's what my aim is.
That's
Absolutely.
wonderful. That's wonderful.
Yeah, great. Thanks, Mary. Thanks so much. I would love to hear from Kriti and Akanksha as well, and Krishna.
And Krishna. Yes.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
thank you
it
very
was
much for inviting me, for giving me a chance to such a beautiful, good session. Actually, I'm really fond to Sumita. He's very good trainer, and I always like to hear him. And if people are very good, so I'm very happy to join with you. Thank you very much for giving me chance to join this session. And I would like to join the next session, actually.
Great,
you.
great.
Yes.
I will send you guys the detail. Thank you. Kriti?
Kriti or Akanksha?
Yes, sir. Actually, I joined a little late, but it was really an amazing session, as we discovered so many things within us, as somebody said.
Hmm.
And means thank you so much for for conducting such an amazing session. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Akanksha?
It was me actually.
Okay, Akanksha.
Who's
Sorry.
remaining.
Kriti. Kriti is the only one who's
Uh,
pending now.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir, for arranging this type of workshop. And with the help of these kinds of workshop, we can overcome with our threat and weakness, and we can also came to know about with the example of glass. We can learn so many things that in life we have need. We need water and air both, so we can change our thinking perspective. So this is very helpful.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Kriti. Thanks, everybody. Once again, thank you, Sumit, for taking time out for doing these sessions for us. It's really, really very helpful, and I can't be grateful enough. So thank you
Thanks
so
to you and
much.
Priyanka.
Thank you so much. My
And
pleasure.
have a lovely rest of the evening, and thanks for actually investing your Sunday evening into this. I
Yeah.
think, it's rare, but thank you for taking out time on a Sunday evening.
Thank you, everyone.
It is a good investment, though.
Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. Take care, stay safe, and I'll
Okay,
see you for the
bye.
next session then.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.